Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 87. A customer spent $27 to purchase oranges at $3 per pound. How many pounds of orange did the customer purchase? We can solve this problem by using the conversions method. And we have three given informations and one unknown. So they're asking for how many pounds. Okay, so this is pounds in this side. This is dollars. Now let's fill in. So we have $3 per pound. So $3. Then we have $27. Now we can cross multiply and then divide by the rest. We have the question mark that will be equal 27 times 1 divided by 3. That equals 27 divided by 3 equals 9 pounds. So with $27 you can purchase 9 pounds of orange. We also can make a ratio, the ratio method. So we have $3 per mean over 1 pound. That is equal to $27 over how many pounds? Remember, in the first method we use, the columns on the left hand side have to be the same unit. This is just different point of view. So you see this one, the dollar at the top. So the dollar will be at the top all the way. And then this one, the pounds at the bottom. This one, the pounds have to be at the bottom as well. If you want to do 1 pound over $3, you will set up at question mark pounds over $27. So now pounds is on the top, bow on the top, and then the dollars at the bottom, so bow at the bottom. And why we have this method is because we have A over B, the expressions equal C over D, that you can move diagonally by the multiplication. So A times D over B, C over 1, or equals C. But I always represent the fractions so that it's easy for us to memorize. And then if we move, we have D over B, that equals C over A. So A always multiply by D. And then the diagonal one, B times C. This one we can write as A over 1 equal B times C over D. In this case, we move D up here and then we move B up here. Everything, because the denominators have nothing, it's not nothing, but it's multiplied by 1. Everything over 1, it's just that thing, so we don't write that again. We have A times D equal B times C. Okay, so this one we move D up here. This one we move D up here and then we move A back here. This one we keep A and D, we move B up here. So we can also do A over B times C equal 1 over D. Or we can do 1 over B equals C over A times D. Or we can move everything to the bottom at 1 over B times C equal 1 over A times D. They are equivalent. So to solve for this problem, we still can use that. We want to solve for the question mark. So we move it up here. Then we move 3 down here. So we have question mark over 1, that question mark. 27 divided by 3, that is 9 pounds. Dollars divided by dollars per 1 pound. For this one is already at the top, so we just have 27 times 1, $27 times 1 pound over $3. That equal 9 pounds. How we know the unit? Because the unit cancel itself as well. That dollars is cancelled. We left with only pounds at the unit. At the top we have 9 pounds over 1 pound, so the pound cancel. The question mark is 9. There are a lot of point of views in this questions, so just choose one and then master it. I recommend this one because mostly you can just set up and then follow the step by step, so you don't have to memorize a lot of method. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.